Have you ever wondered why one person moves forward confidently while another constantly doubts, although both are equally smart and capable? It's not about talent or luck. More often than not, the difference is made by just one quality: confidence. And the good news is, it can be developed. Most people consider self-confidence to be an innate character trait, but in fact, it is not. Confidence is constantly changing. Sometimes it increases, sometimes it decreases. Imagine a pair of scales. Every day, on one side, we weigh events that make us stronger. On the other, we weigh everything that makes us doubt ourselves. That's why our confidence levels never stay the same. But there's another important distinction. Confidence isn't a single quality. It consists of two parts, internal and external, and it's the interaction between them that determines how confident we feel every day. The whole point is that inner confidence begins with how we perceive ourselves and our capabilities. It grows through knowledge, skills, and personal achievements. Every small victory strengthens self-confidence. Even a simple, completed task becomes proof I can do it. External confidence is reflected in our behavior. Our posture, voice, gestures, and gaze help others perceive our confidence. Inner and outer confidence constantly influence each other. By developing one, we strengthen the other. A new skill gives you more confidence. Confidence helps you take action, and action leads to new achievements. Even confident people sometimes have doubts. Uncertainty arises before new experiences. The key is to not let it stop you. Confidence doesn't come before action. More often than not, it comes after the first step. One of the reasons we lose confidence in ourselves is that we feel like everyone is constantly evaluating us. But in fact, most people are more concerned with themselves. We often overestimate the attention of others. What seems like a big mistake to us, others may not even notice. When we understand this, it becomes easier to act. Less fear, less unnecessary worries, more freedom to be ourselves. Another way to build confidence is to regularly achieve small goals. Small victories create a sense of progress. A big goal can seem overwhelming, so it's better to break it down into smaller steps that are achievable every day. For example, the goal of becoming more confident in communication sounds too ambitious, but you can start with a simple step: interacting with people a little more every day. When we complete small tasks every day, the brain receives proof I can handle it. Another powerful confidence-boosting tool is physical activity. It improves your body's condition, boosts your energy, and helps you feel better. When we have more energy, it's easier for us to work, study, and achieve goals, and new achievements boost our confidence. Our bodies also influence our state of mind. Posture, gestures, and voice can change how we feel. Sometimes you need to start acting more confident. Over time, this behavior becomes natural. Sometimes it feels like we're standing still. At such moments, it's important to remember how much we've already accomplished. Try writing down your achievements, even the smallest ones. They'll show you've already changed more than you think. Confidence doesn't appear overnight. It's built gradually. Every new skill, every small victory, and every step forward becomes part of this process. Many people wait until they feel confident before taking action, but more often than not, it's the other way around. First comes action, then comes experience, and only then does confidence come. You don't have to change your entire life overnight. Sometimes, one small action today is enough. It's these actions that create big changes over time. True confidence isn't the absence of fear, it's the ability to move forward even when doubts arise. By developing ourselves every day, we gradually change not only our behavior, but also our attitude toward ourselves. Confidence becomes more than a mask to be put on. It becomes a natural part of us. Start with a small step. Do something today that will bring you closer to a more confident version of yourself. Because confidence isn't something we simply receive, it's something we create through our actions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to stay up to date with new content.